When we're looking at area, a triangle is simply half of a rectangle. If I draw a line down here, I can then see that this area here is the same as this area here. And this area here is the same as this area here. So to find the area of the triangle, I want to find the area of the rectangle using length times width and then halve it. The only complication is that on a triangle, we call this the base and this the height instead of length and width. This gives us the formula that the area of a triangle is given by the base times the height divided by 2. It's important to show your working for these questions, so we begin with the formula. Area equals base times height divided by 2. The base is 12 and the height is 5. 12 times 5 is 60 and divide that by 2 to get 30. So the area is 30 centimetres squared. You would be allowed a calculator for this question. Begin in the same way. Area equals base times height divided by 2. The base is 7.9 and the height is 6.6. Typing this into my calculator gives me an answer of 26.07 centimetres squared. Here are 2 questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go at them. When you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. In these more difficult questions, we're told the area of the triangle and we need to find the height or the base. To do this, we begin by surrounding our triangle with a rectangle. Now, if the area of this triangle is 24, then I know that the area of the rectangle is double that, so it must be 48. I now have that 48 equals 8 times this here, which is question mark. I now need to work out what number I multiply by 8 to get 48. The way to do this is to divide 48 by 8. This will give an answer of 6, so I know that this side here is 6 centimetres long. For this one, begin in the same way. The area of the triangle is 17.98, so the area of the rectangle is double that, which is 35.96. This must equal 5.8 multiplied by this here, which is question mark. I now need to find out what number I multiply by 5.8 to get this answer here. And to do that, I'm going to divide 35.96 by 5.8. This gives me 6.2, so I know that the base of the triangle is 6.2 centimetres long. Here are some questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go at them. When you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. Here are some more practice questions for you to have a go at. Press pause and try them, and when you're ready to see the answers, press play again. Here are the answers for those questions. Finally, this is a much more challenging question. You've got to use everything that you've learnt so far. Press pause and have a go at it. When you're ready for the answer, press play. Here's the answer. If you've got this right, you can stop this clip now. If you've made any mistakes, carry on watching and I'll explain to you how I got the answer. To get this answer, I began by splitting the shape into a rectangle and a triangle. To find the area of the rectangle, I use this formula here. I know that the length is 8 and the width is 6, so this gives me an area of 48 centimetres squared. For the triangle, I know the height, which is 6, but I don't know the base, so I need to work that out by doing 11 take away 8, giving me 3. I now use this formula and get the answer 9 centimetres squared. To get the total area, I then add the area of the rectangle and the area of the triangle together to give me a total area of 57 centimetres squared.